right, so I came down the basement. This light is always on. It's got a pull chain that doesn't do anything. It's frozen, so I want to get rid of that. But then I'm looking, it's got this extension cord that was plugged into it, dangling across, going somewhere scary there. Anyway, so then I had this bulb that works on a switch, so I came down to do the same thing. I put one of these fancy LEDs, but I guess I never noticed the other extension cord wrapped around the wires, electrical taped, going up, laying across the old steam pipes. Well, let's see, where's that going? Well, I found it up here. It was laying on the drain pipe, or no, it's more steam pipe, I guess. So, yeah, that easily, let's see if it's live. Probably is. I have that switch off right now, but that's just look at that. Just electrical tape at the end. Just waiting to catch fire. Especially laying on a metal pipe, too, you know. Yeah, let's put the switch on. Yeah, she's live, and it's just like hanging in staples and some happy homeowner stuff I'm gonna have to get rid of. So I can't do it. I can't walk away from this. This is so dangerous. So again, we'll make sure we got no power here. Just gonna take this off for now. I'm just going to cut those and put some wire nuts for now. God damn. It's just like old wire from extension cord or something. Yeah, hold these, thread these on there. Let me get my stool over here. That's what I wanted. Nice bright light down here. Let's just make sure that these aren't live. They weren't coming from somewhere else. Okay, good. So these guys, yeah. I just wire nutted that. I really got to get some electrical tape and tape them off. That's gonna be the right thing to do. And I'm just gonna snake this wire out from under there. For now, I think. Ay. That's a common theme around here. And then, yeah, I think I'm just gonna smash that bulb. That thing's dangerous. Yeah, it's better for now, obviously. We'll get some better lighting down here. Clean this whole place up. Another thing I gotta do is come over here. I want to kill all the second floor stuff and go see what has power still. So I'm gonna separate, I need to separate. This is the panel for the whole house. I want to separate, obviously, the tenant panel and my panel. All right, so far so good. This light doesn't work. So that's a good thing. Dead. Let's go. That light doesn't work. Good. Dead. Dead, hopefully. I think I said this outlet was dead, right? And this light. Good. Let's go wide. Go wide shot here. That light's dead. Excellent. So this, while I'm doing this, is it's going to make it real easy to separate the electricity. If just those 3-4 breakers I did are the only thing for this level, then I just don't have to do anything up here. The panel just has to be downstairs, has to be switched, those circuits over to this one. So that's freaking great. Yeah, that's still powered. That's for the heat, and that goes to the basement. This is unplugged. That stove is not lit. I don't know where this plugs in, actually. Probably should figure that out. Oh, right in the wall here. Let's see. Sorry for this shoddy camera work. Yeah, that's dead. There's an old janky outlet here. It's dead. Nice. All right, let's check that bathroom. Dead. Good, good, and this thing's still on. Bedroom. Excellent, excellent. You should be able to just go next to things with this and pick up power. Yeah. Sweet. This was separate from an AC. Well, they had an air conditioner there, so I probably should just check that anyway. All right. We're talking real easy then. Don't think there's anything up here. I got a attic. There was a live wire, I think, when we were doing the inspection. I wonder if these probably have to stay live for, I don't know how that works, for safety. All right, just checked all my outlets. Appear to be good. The only thing I can think of is there's outdoor light. So all my outlets work, which is good. And the only other thing is here. This should be live because this should be on my, I think. Sweet. So this is on mine. So only other panel is here in the laundry room. There's three bunch of circuits they added, but I think it's all from my kitchen, which is right above here. And I saw a washer and dryer were over there labeled. This is really good news. So why is this good news? This is good news because to add a meter for a second unit is about 15, I'm guessing, what the internet told me, it could be years ago, $1,500 just to add a meter and a, no, that might not, don't listen to me. It's to add stuff around there. Then to run wires, typically they want to run wires all the way up to the second floor. But this saves a lot of headache because I don't have to do that. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these are just for the second floor. So those 6 can be disconnected here, brought to the new panel. Meter will be outside. Golden. Oh, this is great news. Save a lot of money because that gas meter behind me, I'm going to hook that up to gas heat for my floor, I believe is the plan. And that'll hang here, a combi boiler, so it's heat and hot water. And this unit, oil will be for the second floor. Because it's still got life in it, so might as well use it. All right. Woo! Good news.